Hi everybody and welcome to MomDas Life Handmade, and I have come today with an open invitation for all of you to join in Useful DIY Challenge April 2019. Spring is here. The trees have shed their old leaves and have started to spring up with fresh green new leaves, and it's looking beautiful outside. So it's time to give some old things a new look. So this month's theme is Old Turns New. So take an old item from your home or thrifted, anything old. It can be a chair, a dress, a tray, anything, and give it a new look. Give it some love, do some DIY and turn it into new, give it a new purpose, a new life. Are you wondering who is hosting this challenge this time with me? Well, let me give you some cues. Number one, she hosts the seasonal kitchen vignette challenge every season. Okay, cue number two. She also does the popular shout out Sundays. You got it right. That's Denise Jordan. Denise Jordan from This and That with Denise Jordan. She's a sweet, sweet, sweet lady. And you must have visited her channel, must be following her or friends with her. Do visit her channel and you will love her videos. So today Denise and I have come up with the Useful DIY Challenge April 2019, Old Turns New. So let's get to the rules of the challenge. Rule number one, in your title, whatever you want to title your video, include the three words Useful DIY Challenge. Rule number two, in your description box, write down hashtag Useful DIY Challenge Old Turns New. Rule number three, this is a DIY challenge. So you have got to show us the before product, how you DIY, the process, and the after product, how it looks with the new life. Rule number four, you should be subscribed to my channel MomDas Life Handmade and Denise's channel This and That with Denise Jordan. Rule number five, do mention us, that is MomDas from MomDas Life Handmade and Denise Jordan from This and That with Denise Jordan, and also the playlist that is being created in your video and description box so that many more people get to know about this challenge. Rule number six, the upload date for all the videos is falling on a Wednesday, the 17th of April 2019 at 5 p.m. Indian Standard Time. So as always, it's very simple. Just Google and ask what is 5 p.m. Indian Standard Time and you will get the conversion in your local time and schedule it for Indian Standard Time 5 p.m. 17th April and your video will get published at that specific time. Now all the rules have also been listed in the description box below. The more the people join us in the challenge, the more number of views we get, each one of us, and we make many more new friends. And it's fun to make new friends and learn something from each other. So get cracking, get crafty, get thinking, look for something old that you can give a new life. After all, we are all beauty with brains. See you all in the upcoming Useful DIY Challenge April 2019, Old Turns New. Take care.